In this video, I'm going over the type of gear you need to get through the fall/winter. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go! So I know a lot of riders think for cold weather, all you need is some base layers and leather gauntlet gloves. And these are a good start, but there is so much more you can do. Let's start with the most important gear item, your helmet. For riding in cold weather, it's pretty obvious, but I recommend going with the full face helmet. That being said, you want to go with a helmet that has minimal vents, as this keeps the warmth inside. A quick pro tip is to have a helmet with a chin skirt. If your helmet doesn't have this, I do have a video where I made a quick DIY chin skirt if you're interested. The next gear item you need is a balaclava or a neck gaiter. Wearing one of these will keep your head and neck warm, and if your helmet fits correctly, you shouldn't feel any discomfort while having it on. It's a great piece of gear that is very affordable, and they come in many colors and prints. The next type of items to invest in is heated gear. When I first started riding in the winter, I pushed back so much on investing in heated gear because I thought it was way too expensive. But after getting my first pair of heated gloves, I never looked back. If you want to do more miles on the bike safely without your body freezing over, then I highly suggest to get yourself some heated gear. Seriously, they even make heated insoles. Be sure to like this video if you've gotten some value from it. The next gear item to have in the cold weather is a cold weather specific riding jacket. Leather is king in the cold, but there are some great textile jackets out there, like this Alpine Stars Andes V3 I just did a review on, that have technology that keeps you warm and dry. When choosing your winter jacket, always look for one that fits with a bit more room than normal in case you want to add some layers. The final item is a pair of waterproof boots. Pairing waterproof boots with a thick pair of socks should be enough to keep your feet from feeling the cold. And like I mentioned above, you could totally pair them with some heated insoles. So there you have it, a quick guide to riding gear for colder weather. What are some things you do to stay warm on your bike? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.